Good morning, students. Exercise 3.1, the problem number 7. If alpha, beta and gamma are the roots of the polynomial equation ax cube plus bx squared plus cx plus d is equal to 0, find the value of summation of alpha by beta gamma in terms of the coefficients. Okay, here given it's a cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx squared plus cx plus d is equal to 0. It's a cubic polynomial. So how many roots you will have? It is given that alpha, beta and gamma are the roots of the cubic polynomial. Okay, so if it's so, the sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma, is equal to minus b by a. Okay, and if you take the sum of the product of two roots taken at a time, that is alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma is equal to c by a. And if you consider all the three roots, the product of the roots, that is alpha into beta into gamma, is equal to minus d by a. Here what is asked? Summation of alpha by beta gamma. So it is expansion as alpha by beta gamma plus beta by gamma alpha plus gamma by alpha beta. So the numerator, if you have alpha, means the denominator should be beta gamma. If the numerator is beta, means what are the remaining? Gamma alpha in the denominator. Plus gamma is in the numerator, means alpha beta is in the denominator. And you have to take LCM. What is the LCM? Alpha beta gamma. That will be the LCM. Here you are having beta gamma. So which is needed? Alpha. So the numerator has to be multiplied by alpha. So alpha into alpha is alpha square. In the same way here beta is needed. So beta has to be multiplied in the numerator, that is beta square. Here plus gamma square. So we can write the formula. So you know that a plus b plus c the whole square. So what is that? A plus b plus c the whole square. How it will be written? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay. So if you want to find a square plus b square plus c squared alone, how we can write this as? It is a plus b plus c the whole squared. So from these two terms, these three terms, what is common? 2. So when you take it to the next side, it is minus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. So that formula we are going to apply here. So therefore it is alpha plus beta plus gamma the whole square minus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha divided by alpha beta gamma. So these results already we have found. What is alpha plus beta plus gamma? That is minus b by a. So minus b by a the whole square. Minus 2 into, what is this? This is nothing but c by a. And what is alpha beta gamma? That is minus d by a. So when you square this, it is minus b the whole square. It is b squared by a squared minus 2c by a, minus 2c by a divided by minus d by a. So in the numerator, the what is the LCM? A squared. Okay, the LCM is a square. So here you will have b square. Here a is there. So the LCM is a square. So the numerator has to be multiplied by a. So minus 2a. The denominator I have taken to the reciprocation. So here I have written multiplication into a by minus d. So one a getting cancelled. So here you are having minus. If you apply the minus to the numerator, this will become positive. Which one? Minus 2ac into minus is plus 2ac. And this will become negative. So minus b squared divided by, after cancelling a, here you will have a. So a into d is ad. So this is the answer for summation of alpha by beta 0. Coming to the problem number 9. If p and q are the roots of the equation lx square plus nx plus n is equal to 0. Show that square root of p by q plus square root of q by p plus square root of n by l is equal to 0. We have to prove this result. So consider the equation. It is a quadratic equation. So a is equal to what? The coefficient of x squared, that is L here. Your b is equal to coefficient of x, that is n, and the constant also n. Okay, here for this equation, what are the roots p and q? So first sum of the roots. What is the formula? Minus b by a. Here your b is n and your a is l. So minus n by l. And the product of the roots pq, what is the formula? C by a. Here what is your c? That is n. N by your a is l. Okay, consider this term. So the addition of these three terms is equal to 0. So here I have written square root of p by q can be written as square root of p by square root of q plus square root of q divided by square root of p plus square root of l by square root of l. So I have written separately. Then I am going to take LCM. What will be the LCM? Square root of q into square root of p. Okay, so here you have to cross multiply these two for LCM, because here square root of q is there. So we have to multiply with square root of p. So square root of p into square root of p is p. In the same way, here square root of p is there. So you have to multiply the numerator with square root of q. So square root of q into square root of q is q plus square root of l divided by square root of l. So p plus q we have found what it is, minus n by l, divided by, what is this, square root of q into square root of p is square root of p cube. What is square root? That is p cube, n by l. So it is nothing but square root of n by l. How you can write this n by l as? So 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. In the same way, n by l can be written as root n by l into root of n by l. So 1 square root of n by l getting cancelled. So the here remaining is minus root 10 divided by root 10 plus root 10 divided by root 10. Both are same. One is in minus, another one is in plus. So the addition is equal to 0. So we have proved the result. And coming to the problem number 10. If the equations x squared plus px plus q is equal to 0 and x squared plus p dash x plus q dash is equal to 0 have a common root. These equations have a common root. Show that it must be. So the common root must be equal to pq dash minus p dash q divided by q minus q dash, or q minus q dash divided by p dash minus p. So for these two equations, the common root be alpha. Okay, so for the first equation, I have taken the two roots because it's a quadratic equation. So it has two roots. So I have taken one is alpha, another one is beta. The sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. Your b is p and your a is 1. So therefore minus p. And the product of the roots is equal to c by a. So q by 1, that is q. And for the second equation, you will have one is the alpha root, it is common. Another ones I have taken as gamma. Okay, so the sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. In the place of b, you are having p dash. So minus p dash by 1, that is minus p dash. And the product of the roots is equal to c by a. Your c is q dash and your a is 1. So therefore q dash. So here you are having 4 results. I am going to subtract the first and the third result. First and the third result. So see, third result is subtracted from the first result. So it is alpha plus beta minus alpha minus gamma, which is equal to minus p minus of minus p dash, that is plus p dash. So first and third result, 1 minus 3, which implies you will get this. So alpha and minus alpha getting cancelled. So therefore beta minus gamma is equal to p dash minus p. Next you take the, what is that, second and the fourth result, you just subtracted. Alpha beta minus alpha gamma is equal to q minus q dash. From these two, what is common? Alpha is common. If alpha is taken out, what is remaining? Beta minus gamma, that is equal to q minus q dash. Here we have found what is beta minus gamma is p dash minus p. So here if you substitute beta minus gamma is p dash minus p. So therefore alpha is equal to q minus q dash divided by p dash minus p. So alpha is the common root. So here the value of 1 alpha we have found. So we have to prove one more result also. For that, alpha is the common root of both the equation. So this alpha has to satisfy both the equation. I have taken these two equations. So it is alpha squared plus p alpha plus q is equal to 0. Here alpha squared plus p dash alpha plus q dash is equal to 0. Okay. So here the fifth equation has to be multiplied with p dash. So I am going to cancel alpha. So for that the fifth equation has to be multiplied by p dash and the sixth equation has to be multiplied by p. So these two coefficients of alpha are same. So if you subtract these two getting cancelled. So here p dash minus p into alpha squared. Here alpha squared is common. If you take it out, p dash minus p plus here q p dash minus q dash p is equal to 0. When you bring it to the next side, here it will become minus. So this term, the minus term will become positive. So therefore q dash p, this will become negative. So minus p dash q. So alpha squared is equal to q dash p minus p dash q divided by this term. So see, this alpha can be written as, here alpha is needed, but what we got alpha squared. So the alpha squared can be written as alpha into alpha. 1 alpha I keep it here and 1 alpha I have written in the denominator in the right side. So already we have found alpha value is, what is it? It is q minus q dash divided by p dash minus p. When you substitute here, this p dash minus p, here also p dash minus p getting cancelled. So the alpha is equal to pq dash minus p dash q divided by q minus q dash. So therefore the alpha may be q minus q dash by p dash minus p or pq dash minus p dash q divided by q minus q dash. So coming to the problem number 11. See, the formulate into mathematical problem to find a number such that when its cube root is added to it, the result is 6. So we have to write the equation, that is the formulate into mathematical problem. So we have to form the equation to find a number such that when its cube root is added to it, the result is 6. So let the number be x. So what is given that? See, when its cube root, so what is the cube root of x? It is x power 1 by 3 is added to it. So x power 1 by 3 plus x, what will be the result? That is equal to 6. So x power 1 by 3 is equal to 6 minus x. So you have to raise to the power 3, so that otherwise cubing on both the sides, okay, or raising to the power 3. So it will become x power 1 by 3 the whole cube is equal to 6 minus x the whole cube. So here this 3 and the denominator 3 getting cancelled in the power. So you will get x here. Here you have to use the a minus b the whole cube formula. What is a minus b the whole cube? A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube. Okay, so plus 3ab squared minus 3a squared b and minus b cube. Okay, so this formula has to be applied here. See, 6 minus x the whole cube. So first a cube, that is 6 cube. 6 cube is 216. Okay, and plus 3 into a. So your a is 6. But 3 6 or 18. 18 into x squared. Your b is x. So it is x squared. Next minus 3 into 36. So 3 into 36 is 108 into x. What is b? b is x. And minus x cube. Your b is x. So here minus b cube. So minus x cube. So here I have written here. So 216, that is a 6 cube. Minus b cube, a cube minus b cube. Here plus 3a b squared minus 3a squared b. Okay, and you see here bring this minus x cube to the left side as plus x cube. And 18x squared, when you bring it to the left side, minus 18x squared. Minus 108x plus x. So it is 109x. And bring this 216 to the left side as minus 216. So this is the mathematical problem for the given condition. And coming to the problem number 12. You see that a 12-meter tall tree was broken into two parts. Okay, it was found that the height of the part which was left standing was the cube roots of the length of the part that was cut away. Okay, a 12-meter tall tree was broken into two parts. You see that? So the height of the tree is 12 meter. Okay, so it was broken into two parts. So this part is cut away from the tree, and this is the part was standing left. Okay, so see now here, the height of the part which was left standing, height of the part which was left standing, okay, was the cube roots of the length of the part that was cut away. Okay, so see that height of the part which was left standing was the cube root of the height of the part that was cut away. And formulate this into a mathematical problem to find the height of the part which was cut away. Here what is asked? We have to find the height of the part which was cut away. Okay, so we have to prepare a mathematical problem, that is we have to write the equation. So if you solve that equation, you have to get the answer for the height of the part which was cut away. So therefore we have to take x be the height of the part which was cut away. Endha part cut ஆகி விழுந்ததோ அதுதான், அதை வச்சு தான் we have to form the mathematical problem. So that has to be taken as x. So what is the given condition? The height of the part which was standing, okay, which is equal to, how it is, cube roots of the height of the part that was cut away. Cube roots of, so the part cut ஆச்சு அதோட length, height வந்து we have taken as x. So cube root of the height of the part that was cut away. So therefore cubic root of x, or otherwise we can take it as x power 1/3, that is equal to y. What is y? It is the height of the part that was standing left. Okay, so you know that the total length of the tree is 12 meter. So where you have to add the two parts. Well, what is the first part? Cut away part. So cut away part we have taken as x, and the standing part is y. So both should be equal to 12. So x plus y is equal to 12. So here in this problem the given condition is what? It is y is nothing but it's a cubic root of x. So here I have written cubic root of x. What is cubic root of x? It is x power 1/3. So bring this x to the right side as minus x. So it is 12 minus x. Cubing on both the sides. So therefore here x power 1/3 the whole cube, that is x. Here you are having 12 minus x the whole cube. You have to use the formula a minus b the whole cube. So the first one is a cube. So 12 into 12 into 12, that is 1728. Next one minus b cube. Your b is x. So minus x cube. Next one plus 3ab squared. So 3 into 12. So that is 36. B squared. Your b is x. So b squared is x squared. Next minus 3 into a squared. A squared, a is what? 12. 12 squared is 144. 144 into 3 is 432. Into b, your b is x. So minus 432 x. Just I have applied the a minus b the whole cube formula. Okay. So minus x cube, when I bring it to the left side it is plus x cube, and 36x squared it is minus 36x squared in the left side, and here minus 432x, here you are having 1x. So when this minus 432x, when you bring it to the left side, it will become positive. So it is added with 1x. So you will have plus 433x. And what is left out? This constant. If you bring it to the left side, it is minus 1728 is equal to 0. This is the mathematical problem. When you solve, you will find x. What is x we have taken? That is the length of the part that was cut away. So in your problem, formulate this into a mathematical problem to find the height of the part which was cut away. So that only we have taken as x. So therefore when you solve, you will get the answer for x. Thank you, students.